President wa World Rally Championship Phineas Kimathi augite mitaratara yothe nimehariirie niundu wa mbitika cia ngaari na iria cikambiriria tariki 22 mweri twerekeire.
Nakuru is the best county. It is the most scenic, and we're going to have the rally in a place where we can find 2 lakes, Elementaita, Lake Naivasha as well, county.
Kimathi akwarigia hingo ya mucemanio na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru na kuria ugitwo na mitaratara yothe ya COVID-19 ni murikitwo.
We want to assure the members of the county that the organization of WRC Safari Rally Kenya has taken every precaution to make sure that we do not infect or endanger anybody.
Mwena-ini wake Ngavana wa Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui ni uritie Aigithia kuma mwena uyu kuhuthira mbitika ici kiwonjoria kuona Kenya igakorwo imurikitwo ni thi yothe.
For the last 1+ years, the industry has actually been on its knees. Some hotels actually closed. So to hear that our hotels are now going to be booked or oversubscribed is very good news to both the investors, the workers, the suppliers, and the entire hospitality chain.
Kinyanjui ni ongerere kuga ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru igukorwo muharine wa mbere kunyitanira na ministry ya mathako gutigirira hatiri undu wathuka.
We'll ensure that across the entire route where the rally will be, there's adequate provisions for safety, and once again Kenyans can begin to enjoy what we used to have in the Easter 19 years ago can be rekindled from this June 24th.
Kameme TV haro-ini kuma Nakuru ritwa ria Kono wa Ng'ombe wa Maina.